If you have a wood-burning fireplace, you may wonder how often you should clean out the ashes. In this video, we'll explain the best practices for cleaning fireplace ashes to keep your fireplace running efficiently and safely. Ash removal frequency depends on how often you use your fireplace. For regular users, it's a good idea to clean ashes out once a week to prevent ash buildup, which can affect fireplace efficiency. Leaving a thin layer of ash, however, can actually help insulate the fire and make future burns more efficient. When it's time to clean, make sure the ashes have cooled completely. Use the right tools, like an ash shovel and an ash bucket, to safely remove and dispose of the ashes. Remember to never dispose of hot ashes, as they can pose a fire risk. Routine fireplace cleaning not only keeps your fireplace clean, but also helps prevent potential hazards caused by ash buildup. By maintaining fireplace hygiene, you're ensuring a safer and more efficient heating experience. For more tips on fireplace maintenance and safety, be sure to subscribe to our channel.